The first question is, look, Rita collected 8 stamps, Neha collected 7. Okay, that means how many stamps Rita collected? Rita collected 8 stamps. Yes. And Neha, look, Neha collected 7. So Neha collected 7 stamps. Right? Now, what is the question? What to do? How many stamps do both of them have? How many stamps do both of them have? That means if it is asked, what is the in total? What are the how many stamps are there in all together? In this type of question, basically we have to do addition when it is in all or total, all together. In this type of question, we have to do addition. Now look, in the question it is given how many stamps do both of them have. That means total stamp, how many? Yes, they are Rita and Neha with them. Total, how many stamps are there? So basically, we have to just do addition. 7 plus 8, it will be 15 stamps. Now, what is the correct answer? Just write this. Only this portion write, huh? They have 15 stamps. What will be the answer? Answer option B. 15, okay? Option B. No need to write the question, okay? Just write, just mark question number 1, then this answer, okay? The question, no need to write this, okay? This practice paper question, I will send it. Or you can just take a screenshot of this question paper. That will also be okay for you. At the end of this class, I will just show you the question paper. You can take a screenshot of it also, okay? All of you understood? So, Shreyam, Alvira, Devi, আচ্ছা লামিয়া অঙ্কন, শেখ তামান্না, অঙ্কন পাত্র, Shuhana, understood? Acha. Suppose you have done this answer yesterday, okay, then also you have to do it because this is your classwork. So, Suhana, if you completed it at home, then also right now you have to do it, okay, as it is your classwork. Understood? Show me your copy. All of you just write it. I will check your copy, huh? Now just let me come to question number 2. All of you have written this, so just normal addition. Let me clear it. Now number 2, second one is, it is very much important, very, very important, okay? Look, I am a 2-digit number. Already this type of question I explained in class. I am a 2-digit number. 2-digit number means there is ones, there is tens place, ones place and tens place, yes? 2-digit number. Now, it is given the unit place value. Achha, unit place means ones, okay? The unit place means, that means ones, nothing but ones, okay? Now just look, unit place means we will consider ones place. Now, have a look on it. This is ones, this is tens, this is ones, this is tens, okay? Now, look, I am a 2-digit number. The unit place is twice the tens place digit. That means here we don't know which digit is over there. But we know this unit place or ones place is twice. Twice means, already I explained, twice means 2 times multiplied by 2. Okay? Twice means 2 times, okay, multiplied by 2. Now just look, That means what will be in tens place digit? If we multiply it by 2, we will get ones place digit. Yes or no? If you have understood, you can shake your heads. Okay? Acha, okay. Acha, not understood. Shuprit? Acha, again I am explaining. Okay? Now just look. It is given 2-digit number means definitely it will be ones place and tens place. Yes, though. That means there is definitely a digit in ones place and 1 digit in tens place. Now just look. Here it is given if tens place value is 4. It is given the tens place value is 4. So we'll write 4 in tens place. Up to this clear? Okay, very good. Now there is one word that is twice. Twice means 2 times. Okay, that means we have to multiply it by 2. Now it is clear? Now just look. In the question it is given the unit place or ones place digit is twice tens place. That means what is in tens place? It is 4. So what will be in unit place? Twice of 4. Twice of 4. That means we have to multiply 4 by 2. Yes or no? Twice means so 2 times. Okay, so the ones place will be 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. So ones place digit will be 8. So ultimately what will be the number? 48. Now it is clear. Very good. Okay. All of you, it is clear though? Just shake your head if yes. Acha, okay, good. Now just write the question. Just how to write the question. You will take ones place, tens place. Make 2 box. Here it is 4. And in ones place, just here make a bullet and write is equal to 4 into 2. That is equal to 8. So in unit place, that will be 8. Now write the number is 48. Okay. Just solve this. Write this answer, huh? Only this one. Okay. Just mark question number 2 and write the answer. Shreyam completed? Yes or no? No, acha. Okay, I'm waiting. Just write it first. Now all of you completed? I am just going to erase it, huh? Acha, okay. Now let me explain number 3. The third one, look. The successor of a 2-digit number is always a. Successor of a 2-digit number, always a. Acha. Successor means what? Basically the next one. The next number, immediate next number, right? That means we have to add 1. Yes, so we have to add 1 with that number. Now what is given? Successor of which number? Just look. Successor, let me look at this. Successor of a 2-digit number, right? Any 2-digit number. We don't know what will be the exact number. It may be 11, it may be 13, it may be 23, okay, even it may be 99 or 10 also, okay, any number. Now just have a look on it. Successor of a 2-digit number. First, I am taking a number that is 12, okay, of my choice. You can take a number because it is not mentioned though. So you can take any number of your choice, okay. Suppose I am taking 12. It is a 2-digit number. Now it is given successor of this. What will be the successor? That immediate next number. That means 13. 12 plus what? 13. This is the successor, okay. Now look. It is a 2-digit. 12 is a 2-digit number, though, and its successor is also a 2-digit number. 13 is also a 2-digit number. Yes, this is the number, and this is the successor. Okay, it is also a 2-digit number. Yes, though. This one is clear. Now I am taking another 2-digit number. Suppose 99. Okay, it is also 2-digit number, and its successor will be what? 99 plus 1, that is 100. Yes, though. Now look, here its successor is a 3-digit number, na? 100 is a 3-digit number, na? Look, 0, 0 and 1, 1's place, 10's place, 100 place. So it is a 3-digit number. Yes. So now look at this. That means we have taken a 2-digit number. 2-digit number, yes. For the first one, we are getting the successor that is also a 2-digit number. But in the second number, we are getting the successor that is a 3-digit number. So can we say the answer will be exactly a 2-digit number or a 3-digit number? Because we have taken both the number 2-digit number. Look, the number we have taken 2-digit number. But the answer is coming, in the first case, it is 2-digit number. But in the second case, it is 3-digit number. Yes. So now just look. For 99, we are getting a 3-digit number, that is 100. For 12, we are getting a 2-digit number, that is 13. These answers are differing. Basically, there are difference in between this answer. One is 2-digit number, another is 3-digit number. Yes. So now just look at the options. Okay. Successor of a 2-digit number is always a 2-digit number. The first option is always a 2-digit number. Yes, because we have got a 3-digit number also, though 100. So it is wrong. Is not always. Yes, we have got a 2-digit number. Look, in case of 12, we are getting 30. It is a 2-digit number. Yes, it is correct. But in case of 99, we are not getting a 2-digit number. Na? In case of 99, it is a 3-digit number, 100. Yes, though. So it will always be a 2-digit number? No. Have you understood up to this? Yes, acha, very good. Okay. Shuprit, okay. Acha. So the first option is cut because we have already got a 3-digit number now. So 2-digit number option will be cancelled. Now second option, option B, a 3-digit number. Yes, we have got a 3-digit number, right? But one more thing, we have also got this 2-digit number also to here. Basically, we are getting 2-digit, also 3-digit. So any one answer we can't say exactly. Suppose for always 3-digit number, no. Always 2-digit number, no, right? So it will also not be. Second option also cut. Have you understood, Sholanki? It is clear though? Acha, good. Now, just let me explain. Let me clear it again. Just wait a minute, huh? Let me zoom out. Acha, okay. Now look. For 99, I told you we have got 3-digit number. For 12, we have got 13. You can take any one number, whatever you want, okay? It is not mandatory that you have to take 12, okay? Now just look, the third option. Neither a 2-digit number nor 3-digit number. What is the meaning of third option? Number C. Option C. Meaning neither nor means neither 2-digit number nor 3-digit number. That means it is not a 2-digit number as well as not a 3-digit number also. But we have got 3-digit and 2-digit now. So neither option will also be cancelled out. Yes, to. Yes or no? Yes, good. Acha, now the fourth one, either two-digit number or three-digit number. What does it means? Either two-digit number or three-digit number. That means either it will be a three-digit number or otherwise it will be a two-digit number. ये थ्री डिजिट भी हो सकता है, टू डिजिट भी हो सकता है. Possibility, understood? Either it will be a two-digit number or three-digit. Look, we have got 13 a two-digit number and we have got 100 a three-digit number. So basically either this one will be the answer or this one, any one of these. So this answer will be the correct because we are getting either 3 or 2. Now it is clear to all of you. Just shake your head if yes. Yes, acha. All of you, Shuhana, Rishit, Ankon Jana, Ankon Patro, Lamia. Okay, good, very good. This one is very conceptual question and very much important for exam also. Okay. So now just what will be the answer? You can write as your example so that you can remember. Just let us take two-digit number. Two-digit number. Okay. First one I have taken 12. Second one I have taken 99. Now its successor is 13 and its successor is 100. So it is a two-digit number. Two-digit number. And it is a three-digit number. Just write this one, then it is just write over there successor. It is also successor. Just note this point. Then you will never forget the rule, the funda. Okay. Now tick at the option. Just write. The option will be option D. Number 3, option D. All of you, the concept is clear? Have you understood? Acha, okay. Aratrika, yes, understood too? Yes, ma'am. Very good. Acha, now just look. All of you have written this one. Completed? Yes or no? Acha, right. I'm waiting. Acha, for the concept and for the explanation, I am telling you to write the answers. But in exam, usually you do the calculation in your rough copy and just in the OMR sheet, you have to fill it up. Suppose here the correct answer is D. Then in D, you have to just fill the circle. Okay. Already I explained how to do this. Okay, now I am moving for question number 4. All of you completed though? Ishan completed? Yes. Acha, okay, good. Pushpak, Debattam, acha. Now let me solve the fourth one. Okay, let me move for fourth one. Just look at this. The fourth one. There are 50 boys and 80 girls in a school. This one is very much easy. Even no need to explain, right? Just how many boys are there? Boys 50. Girls 80. So in all, how many students are there? How many students are there all together in the school? So total students, just write it, or you can do it by mind calculation also. Just we have to add them, right? Add. Okay. So what will be the answer? 130. Option C is the correct one. You have to fill option C. Okay, how to write? You will just write number 4, option C. All of you completed this one? Yes or no? No, acha, acha, I am waiting. Write fast. Write fast. Now completed. Pushpak? Yes, okay. Let me move for number 5. A company manufactured 57 bulbs in a month. How many bulbs has been manufactured by the company? Total 57. Total 57 bulbs it has been manufactured by the company. Okay. Now out of these 13 bulbs, out of these 13 bulbs are defected. Total bulbs is 57. Defected how many? Defected bulbs 13. These are defected. Yes. Now total how many remaining which are non-defected or with no defect, without any defect? How many bulbs are there? Basically, suppose you have, see, if you have 60 chocolates, okay, out of this, suppose 15 chocolates is already rotten, okay, these are defected, you can't eat it, okay, these are rotten chocolate, okay. So how many are left over there which basically you can eat? The remaining, in case of remaining, in case of left, in case of rest, remaining, left, rest, in that, in this type of problem, basically we have to do subtraction, right? So is it clear, Debatam, what happened? Is it clear to all of you? Rishabh? Okay. Now we have to do subtraction. Now just look, 57 minus 13, right? What will be the correct answer? 44. So just option number 5, option B. Okay. Just write it fast. But you have to write some statement, okay? Total number of bulbs. As it is MCQ, so I am not making you write, okay? But basically in descriptive type question, you have to write all the things. Total number of bulbs. Then defected is this. So non-defected bulb is this one. Okay? Completed? Okay, done. Pranavi completed. You want to eat? You are hungry? Achha, okay, just 5 up to 5 done. Now all of you, I am just going to unmute all of you. Just show me your copy up to 5. Okay, the name I'll call, they will show me their copy. Okay, now let me move for the next one. Okay, now number 6. Look, find the place value and face value of 4 and 5 respectively in 754. Acha, let me write the number first. 754. It is ones place, it is tens place, it is 100 place. Yes, Tom. Now, find the place value of 4. Look, what is we have to find? First, place value of 4 and face value of 5. So what we have to write first? Place value of 4. Okay, just don't get confused. Okay, and then don't mix it up one by one. First, place value of 4. Place value. Place value means what? We have to look at the place. Look, here is 4. Its place is what? Ones. So place value of 4 will be what? Place value of 4 will be just 4 ones. That is equal to 4. Okay. Now face value. Face value of which one? 5. Acha, face value means we know that digit itself. Only the digit itself, right? So 5 itself. 5 itself. Don't look at place of 5. Tens, no. As it is given face value, so only that digit itself. Only 5. Now it is clear, Ankon Patra? Lamia, it is clear, Tom. So what will be the face value? Face value of 5. That means what? 5 itself. 5. Now in the question it is given and add them. We have to add them. So this 4 and this 5, these two value, place and face, these two value we have to add. 4 plus 5. That is equal to, the answer is 9. Understood? Now look at the option. The result will be 54, 45, 9 and 1. What will be the result? The answer will be 9. Understood? Number C, number okay, option C is the correct answer. This one is the correct answer. Number 6, option C. Okay, just write it. Now let me explain number 7. It is very much easy. The numerals for 651. 651. So 100 place, tens place, ones place, right? 600. How many hundreds are there? 6. So just 6. How many? 50 means what? 50 means 5 tens. So how many tens are there? 5. 1. 1 is there. Just 651. Done. Now the next one. Number 8. Difference between place value and face value of 4 in 894. This one is also very much important. Okay. Number 8th one. It is very much important. Just look at this. I am explaining. The number is given 894. It is ones, it is tens, it is 100. Yes. Now place value of 4. Place value of 4 is what? Its place is ones, 4 ones. Already I explained right now. 4. Now face value of 4. I told face value means that digit itself. No need to look at its place. Just forget about its place. Face value means that digit itself. That means 4 itself. Now find the difference. Difference means what? Their subtraction. Difference means subtraction. Okay. So their difference will be just 4 minus 4. What will be their difference? It will be 0. The answer is 0. Okay. Number 8th one. option C is the correct answer. 0. Okay, just do it first. Write this one. Those who have completed, just show me their copy, huh? Acha, number 9 and 10, I am not going to explain this. Which one is the least number? In number 9, it is given the least. Least means the smallest. The smallest, okay? The less one. And number 10, it is given just normal addition, 45 gram and 97 gram. These two you can do it yourself, okay? So if you have, again you have problem in number 9 and 10, don't worry, tomorrow I'll explain, okay? But number 9 and 10 already so many times done normal addition, okay? So up to 8, I think clear to all of you. Now one by one, just show me your copy. Aratrika, Tamanna, Ankon,